Hello friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. In the previous lecture, we discussed about variables in Python. Today we will cover what is a data type, different data types in Python, then we will see some examples of it, and lastly we will see type function in Python. So let's get started. Data type specifies the type of a data that a variable or object can hold in a programming language. It defines the operation that can be performed on the data and the way it is stored in memory. In Python, we have following built-in data types. First, numeric data type, which includes int, float, and complex. Then, string data type. Then, sequence data type, which includes list, tuple, and range. Then, we have mapping data type, which includes dictionary. Then, Boolean data type. Then, set data type, which includes set and frozen set. And lastly, binary data type, which includes bytes, byte array, and memory view. Now let's see some examples of these built-in data types. First, let's see numeric data types. Numeric data types are used to store the numbers, like int is for integers, float is for floating point number, and complex is for complex numbers. For example, a equals to 5, b equals to 5.3, c equals to 3 plus 4j. If we want to know the type of these variables, then we have to use type function. Type of A is integer. Next, similarly type of B is float, and if we print type of C, it is of complex type. Now let's see string data type. For example, name equals to John. If we print the type of name, then it is of string type. Next, we will see sequence data type, which includes list, tuple, and range. Let's create a list. L1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. If we print the type of L1, then it is of list type. Now we will see tuple data type. T1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. If we want to print the type of T1, then it will be of tuple type. Next, we will see range data type. It is used to create immutable sequence of numbers and is commonly used for looping a specific number of times in for loop. For example, s equals to range 5. If we print the type of s, then it is of range type. Next, we will see mapping data type, which includes dictionary. It contains key value pair. For example, if we create a dictionary D1 equals to 1 colon John, 2 colon Adam, if we try to print the type of D1, then it will be of dictionary type. Next, we will see Boolean data type. It contains either true or false value. If we print the type of true, it will be of bool type, and if we print the type of false, it will also be of bool type. Next, we will see set data type. S1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. If we print the type of S1, it will be of set type. Next is frozen set. Fs is equals to frozen set of S1. It will convert S1 to the frozen set. Now we will see binary data types examples. It is useful for tasks such as file input output, network communication, and data processing. First, let's see bytes. B equals to B in single quote hello. If we print the type of B, then it is of bytes type. Next is byte array. BA equals to byte array B in single quotes hello. If we print the type of BA, it will be of byte array type. The difference between byte and byte array is that you can modify the content of byte array. That means it is mutable, while bytes is of immutable type. Last is memory view. It allows you to create a view of another binary object without copying the data. For example, MV equals to memory view of BA. It will create It will give the type of MV as memory view. Hope you now understood the concept of data types in Python. In the next video, we will discuss about these data types in more depth. See you in the next video.